I've been eating alone, hiding under the stairs.